Today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at paper saving on the SE-S700 model. So we get a lot of questions on this machine, people frustrated by the automatic printing of receipts with every sale. Unfortunately, you can't actually deactivate the printer on this machine or force the receipts not to print, but what you can do is put the machine into journal mode, meaning that you never get a receipt out, but you do use less paper. The paper feeds onto the spool at the back of the machine. So if you want to set this up, there's a couple of steps, fairly straightforward. First of all, key round to PGM, 1 subtotal, and then 0 CH. So you get a funny little stubby receipt printout. If we feed the paper on a bit, we can now see that says printer journal. So you've now set the printer to journal mode. The second step is to attach the roll onto the spool at the back of the machine. So to do this, you press the feed button. So we need a bit more paper out to attach to the take-up spool. Once you've got enough, you can basically fold a thick edge of the paper around like that, take up the spool and slide the paper between the two slots that are on the middle spindle of the spool. Once you've done that, you can actually feed a bit more paper through. What you're trying to do is get a nice tight wind around the central spindle and then drop the spool back into place. Pop the printer cover back on, key round to reg, and then next time you pop a sale through, instead of having the receipt print out, you get a journal print, so a condensed copy that is then saved onto the spool at the back of the machine. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.